Hello students, we are doing solve of laws of indices chapter. Now in previous video you have got up to sum number 4. Now sum number 5. 9 sum number 5. 9 into 81 to the power x equals to 27 to the power 2 minus x. Now in previous sums we have seen that there were 7 in terms of power of 7 we have converted, in terms of power of 2 we have converted. Now here 9, 81, 27. So what is the lowest prime number of 9, 81 and 27? 3. So we'll convert all the numbers in terms of 3. So our base will become 3. Clear? Now 9 means 3 square we can write. 81 means 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are, no, 3 to the power 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So it will become 3 to the power 4 and there is x. And here 3 cube, 27 means 3 cube. That. Now by the rule of laws of indices, we can write 4x. Right hand side we can write 6 minus 3x. Then multiplication we can add power, and right hand side already it is in this form. Now from both sides base same, therefore we can write now 2 plus, you will write down in all the sums, base is same, clear? In 2, 3 sums I have written. Now in all the sums we will write 2 plus 4x equals to 6 minus 3x. Now x related term in left hand side and this in right hand side, or 7x equals to 4. Therefore x is coming 4 by 7. X is coming 4 by 7. Clear? This is the solution. Now next one again in terms of 2. Number 6. Now here what I will do, you see, there is 2 to the power 9 and there is 2 to the power 10. So there is no x related term with this. So this I will take right hand side, then I will take common. Now see, it will be easier for us. 2 to the power 5x plus 4. I am taking this one in right hand side, or 2 to the power 5x plus 4 equals to, now you see 2 to the power 10 means what? 2 is multiplied 10 times, clear? And 2 to the power 9 means 2 is multiplied 9 times. So it is obvious that in 2 to the power 10, this term 2 to the power 9 is there, clear? So I can take 2 to the power 9 common. So here what will be left? 2 only, and there is minus 1, or 2 to the power 5x plus 4. 2 minus 1 means 1. Now it is becoming this. So base same, we can write 5x plus 4 equals to 9. 5x equals to 9 minus 4 means 5. Therefore x equals to 5 by 5. Answer is 1. Clear? Solve is very easy. You will practice from example also. You will practice. This is the answer. Now next one. It is given in this form, number 7. 6 to the power 2x plus 4 equals to 3 to the power 3x into 2 to the power x plus 8. Clear? Now you see here, there is 3 and 2 and there is 6. So what we can do, 6 in terms of 2 and 3. 2 into 3, 6. We'll write down that. 6 in terms of 2 and 3. 2 into 3, 6. And power is this. And right hand side, this. Next, we'll separate. Power is this. By that rule, you have seen that there is one rule is there, xy to the power m equals to, you can write x to the power m into y to the power m. So here also 2 into 3 to the power this. So you can write it in this form by this rule. Clear? Left hand side is this and right hand side 3 to the power 3x into 2 to the power x plus 8. Now see what I'll do. 2 related base 2, here also base 2. I'll take one side, base 3, I'll take other side. So these we can write 2x plus 4. It is here. Okay, I am doing it there. I'm writing it here, see. There is 2 and there is 2. So it will become in denominator. And right hand side 3. It will also come in denominator. 3x plus 4. Clear? Then this is subtraction. So you know powers will be, this is division, you know powers will be subtracted. So 2x plus 4, this by this, so power will be subtracted. Similarly, same base, division, powers will be subtracted. Now it is becoming x minus 4. Right hand side also x minus 4. Okay, same power. There is x minus 4 and right hand side also x minus 4. Now this one you will keep it in mind what I am doing now. See, I am taking in this form power same, or one more step I am writing, okay, or 2 to the power x minus 4. I am writing this in this form, and right hand side nothing is there, that means 1, that is becoming 1. Clear? Now see, power same, so we can write it in this form, 3 by 2 to the power x minus 4. Now see, 1. I have told you first day that any finite quantity to the power 0 means 1. So a to the power 0, its value is 1. M to the power 0, its value is 1. Any non-zero finite quantity to the power 0, 1. So there is 3 by 2. So in place of 1, we can write this 3 by 2 to the power 0. Clear? We can write. Clear? So why I have written here 3 by 2? Why I have not written in place of 1 a to the power 0 or x to the power 0? As left hand side we are seeing that base is 3 by 2. We have to solve. So we have to make same base. That's why we have taken 3 by 2 only. Clear? Now base same, therefore x minus 4 equals to 0, x equals to 4. This is your solution. So it is clear, I think so. That's why I have taken 3 by 2. I have not taken other variable x, m, a, 2, 5, etc. as left hand side there is 3 by 2. So if we can make base same, then we can equate the power, then we can solve. Clear? Now this is up to solved. Question number 9 you are getting in all the videos. Now you have to practice. This is new chapter in class 9, and but it is very easy chapter. Okay, and in next video you will get MCQ and short answer. But first you practice this, then I will make video on MCQ and SCQ part. Okay, bye.